Hello viewers. Welcome to a new tour guide. Today we will know how to you get in and get around in Delaware. This is the second episode. You can watch our first episode and check the I button. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. If you want, you can comment on your opinion about this video. So let's go. Get in Delaware by train. Wilmington is a major stop for Amtrak trains running along the Northeast Corridor. There are frequent high-speed connections with premium Acela Express trains throughout the day from Boston via New York City and Philadelphia and from Washington, D.C. via Baltimore. Slower Northeast regional runs along with the same with additional stops in between the significant cities, Delaware's third largest city Newark being one of them. Some regional trains also continue into Northern Virginia. Even slower but cheaper, SEPTA commuter trains run throughout the day between Newark, Wilmington, and Philadelphia. Finally, several long-distance Amtrak trains terminating in either New York City or Washington, D.C. calls in Wilmington. These include the Carolinian from Charlotte, the Crescent from New Orleans, the Palmetto from Savannah, the Silver Meteor and Silver Star from Miami, and finally, the Vermonter from St. Albans in Vermont. Get in Delaware by bus. Greyhound has a few bus terminals throughout the state. There is also a Chinatown bus service from Dover, Smyrna, and Wilmington to New York City, Albany, Baltimore, and VA, which operates throughout most of the day. Get in Delaware by foot. The American Discovery Trail crosses the entire country from coast to coast, connecting Delaware, ultimately, to California. Get around Delaware. Cars are the primary mode of transportation, except in Wilmington, where ample mass transit is available. DART First State is the primary public transportation system that operates throughout Delaware. Although most of its routes run in and around Wilmington and Newark in Newcastle County, DART serves Dover and Georgetown in Sussex County. DART provides beach bus service to the Delaware beaches in the summer months. DART provides connecting service with the Wilmington-Newark line of SEPTA Regional Rail, which travels between Philadelphia and Wilmington. Within Delaware, the Wilmington-Newark line always stops in Claymont, and on any given day, a few trains will continue to Newark. The Delaware Department of Transportation subsidizes regional rail operations in Delaware. See you in Delaware. Delaware has many beaches and seaside parks, including the Delaware Seashore State Park and Bethany Beach. Dover's historic buildings and exhibits, such as the Old State House. Winterthur Museum and Gardens is a fascinating museum featuring American antiques. Do it in Delaware. Delaware's beaches, like Rehoboth Beach, are pleasant whether you're there for a stroll, a bit of beach combing, or some more active beach pastimes. Buy in Delaware. Delaware is well known for having no sales tax. Most Delawareans shop at malls or strip malls with big box stores, including the Christiana Mall in Newark, the Dover Mall, and Tanger Outlets in Rehoboth Beach. Eat in Delaware. Delaware has many excellent restaurants and a surprising number of brewpubs for a small state, including Dogfish Head in Rehoboth Beach and Iron Hill. As the location of the University of Delaware, Newark is the home of several bars and restaurants popular with college students and locals. One such restaurant is Klondike Kate's. Ask for a tour of the jail cells in the basement, dating from the late 1700s. The Deer Park is a long-standing Newark institution with a rich history. Although the current building dates from 1847, there has been a tavern on the site since colonial times. Edgar Allan Poe once stayed at the St. Patrick's Inn, which used to stand in the exact location. Legend has it that he put a curse on the building and the city after falling in the mud outside the hotel. Due to the site's association with Poe, the symbol of Deer Park is a raven, and there is a wooden raven on display in the main dining room. In Wilmington, Trolley Square, about 1 mile from downtown along Delaware Avenue, is widely popular with locals in their 20s-30s. Among the bars in Trolley Square, the Logan House is arguably the most popular drinking location. Just outside of the city on Route 52, in Greenville is Cromwell's, which has quality pub-style food and a comfortable ambience. Drink in Delaware. Some brewpubs include 1. Iron Hill Brewery 2. Dogfish Head Brewing 3. Stewart's Brewpub. Do not drink and drive in Delaware. The penalties are very harsh. Stay safe in Delaware. Staying safe in Delaware is a matter of staying smart. In Wilmington, city officials and downtown merchants have formed private security patrols that wander the restaurant and entertainment districts in the downtown area to supplement the city police. Most restaurants will summon a security person to escort you to your car if requested. It is best to apply common sense in Wilmington, pay attention to your surroundings, and listen to your inner voice. You probably have if it's telling you that you've wandered into the wrong area. In general, it's best to avoid walking alone after dark in the downtown area. Interestingly enough, Wilmington has one of the highest concentrations of remote security cameras of any city its size. Of course, these cameras are best at identifying criminals after the fact, so don't take much comfort in their presence. Like everywhere else, common sense needs to be used. Outside of Wilmington, there is little to worry about outside of leaving your windows down when it starts to rain unexpectedly. Go next after Delaware. 1. New Jersey, Delaware's neighbor to the north. The Garden State offers a surprising amount of natural beauty in the southern and western parts of the state. 2. Pennsylvania. The city of Philadelphia makes an easy day trip from Delaware. It offers a glimpse into America's Revolutionary War-era history. 3. Maryland, to the west and south of Delaware. Maryland offers America in miniature with everything from history to nature to modern cities. This is all about this episode. Thank you for watching this video entirely. You can watch our other tour guides about the USA if you want. Then you can visit our channel. If you like this video, I will repeat it. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.